Hello students, how are you? I think you all are well. I am also. Today I am going to take a class 9, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Let's start. Before going to text, I show you some pictures. Look. What do you see in the picture? Yes, you're correct. We see in the picture, the place is very dirty. What are responsible for this? Yes, you are correct. We are responsible for this. Our people are responsible for this. What do you call this situation? Yes, you are correct. Environment pollution. Okay, dear students, our today's lesson is environment pollution. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, you will able to ask and answer the question, comprehend and summarize the text. Now, look at the picture. Here, 4 pictures. What do you see in each picture? Try to say what do you see in the pictures. Yes? Each of the 4 pictures represents the source of environment pollution. Picture number 1. We see various types of vehicles on the city street which cause sound pollution. Picture number 2. Wastage materials are seen in the open space which cause our odor pollution. And picture number 3 represents water pollutions. And picture number 4, what do you see? Picture number 4, we can see brick fields where a smoke is being emitted which causes air pollution. What are some of common source of environment pollution? Can you see? I think some common source of environment pollution are vehicles that clog up the city street which cause sound pollution. Which of these sources are most threatening for your environment? Among the source, black smoke emitted in the air is the most threatening for our environment. Okay, dear students, after discussing the 4 pictures, now I am discuss with you some vocabulary. First one, indiscriminate. Pronounce with me. Indiscriminate. Indiscriminate. Okay, look at the picture. Can you guess what is the meaning of the indiscriminate? Okay, there is a sentence. The indiscriminate use of rubbish can pollute the environment. Now, can you guess what is the meaning of the indiscriminate? Yes, the meaning of indiscriminate, not showing careful through or planning. This word is an adjective. Next one, exhaust. Pronounce with me. Exhaust. Exhaust. Look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Black smoke. Okay. I give a sentence. Car exhaust is the main reason of city pollution. Now, can you guess what is the meaning of exhaust? You. Yes, you are correct. The worst gas from an engine, especially a car or the pipe the gas follows through. This word is a noun. Next one. Deforestation. Deforestation. Pronounce with me. Deforestation. Deforestation. Okay. Look at the picture. Can you guess what is the meaning of deforestation? I think you guess. Okay. I give you a sentence. Deforestation is destroying the large area of tropical rainforest. Now, can you guess what is the meaning of deforestation? Yes, your answer is correct. Deforestation makes the cutting down of trees in large area. This word is a noun. Okay, dear students, now open your book, page unit 5, lesson 2. Number section B. Now, I read the text. After reading the text, you will give answer the following question. At first, I read aloudly and you follow me. Bangladesh is now apparently in the grip of all sorts of pollution like air pollution, soil pollution and water pollution. The dwellers of the urban areas are the worst sufferers of such pollution. The indiscriminate industrialization process in Bangladesh over the past decades has created significant environmental problem. We will now know about some of the most common type of environment pollution and ways of coping with it. First one, air pollution. Air pollution comes from a wide variety of sources. In Bangladesh, poisonous exhaust from industrial plant, bricklaying, old and poorly serviced vehicles and dust from roads and construction sites are some of the major sources of air pollution. We can reduce this type of pollution by making less use of motor vehicles and avoiding the use of vehicles older than 20 years. We may also use proper lubricants to lessen the level of emission and pollutant. We can encourage people to use compressed natural gas CNG or liquid petroleum gas LPG. For fueling their cars, the government may relocate hazardous industries like bricklaying to area away from the human habitations. Next one is water pollution. Water pollution can occur in oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds and underground reservoirs. As different water sources follow together, the pollution can spread easily, quickly. Causes of water pollution includes increased sediment from soil, erosion, improper waste disposal and littering, leakage of soil pollution into water supplies, organic materials that decays in water supply etc. In fact, pollution the land means polluting the water, throwing away toxic substance on the ground near a water space means it eventually reaches to body of water. As a result, the water is polluted. Industrial waste must not be disposed in river or lakes. We need to be more careful about disposing household waste too. Use of pesticide means that when it rains on the lawn and garden, chemicals wash into the water bodies. Therefore, we must be aware of the dangers of using pesticide as they may pollute our rivers, canals and lakes. Soil pollution. Among the most significant causes of soil pollution is the enormous volume of industrial waste which is being produced every day but not disposed properly. The mismanagement of household waste, particularly the polythene shopping bags, has caused serious threat to the soil and the drainage system. Another cause of for soil polluting. Another cause of soil pollution is the use of agriculture, pesticide, fertilizer, etc. Sometimes fuel leakages from automobiles may get washed away by rain and seep into the nearby soil. Pesticides and fertilizers are useful for plant growth, but their overuse has led to soil pollution. Natural fertilizer and compost can be used instead of their chemical alternatives. Recycling is another way to reduce the controlled soil pollution. Recycling papers, plastics and other materials reduce the volume of refuge in landfills. Deforestation also causes erosion, pollution, and the loss of fertility in the topsoil. Planting trees and reforesting help prevent soil erosion and pollution. Dear students, we have already read the text. Now I give you some work. First, from your reading of the above text B and completing each blank space in the table with not more than 2 words and or numbers. There are 3 columns. The titles of first columns pollutions, second columns causes, and third column is your suggestion. First column air pollution. There is a blanks causes. Toxic smokes from dash plants. Try to guess what is the correct word of the plants. Yes? Your answer is correct. Industrial plants. Next, vehicles which are old and poorly dash. Yes, the answer is correct. Service. Second, a smoke from the dash field. Yes, you have given correct answer. Brick fields. What's your suggestion about this cause? Don't drive motorbikes wheels are older than. Yes, you have already given the answer. 20 years. The next, use car lubricants of good quality to keep the dash level minimum. Yes, you have given the correct answer. Emission. Next one. Use CNG or LP gas as car. Yes, car fuel. Very good. You have done well the first pollution topics. Now second, soil pollution causes. Industrial was not dashed properly. Yes, your answer is correct. Disposed. The next word, use of dash shopping bags. Yes, this is very common. Polythene shopping bags. Use of agriculture, pesticides and fertilizer. Okay, this is the cause. What's your suggestion? The suggestion is given but some word are missing. You fill the word. Use compost for agriculture purpose. Dash paper. Yes? Recycling paper, plastics and other materials. Plants more trees to help prevent less of fertility in the. Yes? Try. Yes. You have given correct answer. Topsoil. Okay, dear students, you all are well done. The next activities. Look at the 3D poster. and think about the poster. What message do they give us? Try thinking yourself. Can you say? Yes, you. Poster number 1. Yes, you say? Yes. Poster number 1. An animal is seen to be sitting sadly beside a lake. A big empty plastic can is seen to the floating on the lake. The animal is requesting people, that means us, not to throw waste into its playground. Okay, dear student, your opinion is good. The next poster number 2. You. Yes. Poster number 2. A mother duck is seen to be walking along with her children. There is a lake behind. Some tall buildings are also seen at the back of the lake. The lake also seen. The lake seems to say that this is not legal for swimming with her kids, and so she is going away. The duck is going away because the water is not suitable to swim her. Question number 3. Yes, you. Okay. Question number 3. We see a situation in the underwater. Lots of trails are seen, such as single piece of worn out shore, a rejected tire, etc. Look, it disturbs the atmosphere under the water. They should not, or they don't have any right to trust the residents of others. Okay, dear students, your opinion is really very good about the 3 posters. Now, I asked some question about the topics, what you have learned from the text. Question number 1. Mention the causes of water pollution. Try. I have already told you the causes of water pollution. Yes? You have told the correct answer. The causes of water pollution are increased sediment from soil, erosion, improper waste disposed and littering, leakage of soil pollution into water supplies, organic materials that decays in water supplies, etc. Okay, that's great. You have given the correct information. Next one. What are the major source of air pollution? Can you? Yes, you have already read. The major source of air pollutants are exhibiting from industrial plant, brake cleans, old or poorly serviced vehicles, and dust from road and construction sites. Okay. Number 3. What can we inspire people to use? Yes, this is our responsibility. We can inspire our people not to use motor vehicles which are older than 20 years. Use cars, lubricants of good quality. Use CNG or LP gas as car fuel. Use compost for agriculture purpose. Recycle paper, plastics and other materials etc. Okay, dear students, I think you all are enjoy this class very much. Now I give you a home task. Write paragraph on water pollution. You write the paragraph and when your school will open, you show it your English teacher. He or she will give you number. That number is added with your exam. This is a continuous assessment. Okay, dear student, thank you all. See you again.